Cut the paper, fold it right. Sip your coffee, set the light. Grab some stickers, pull your stash. Let's get making in a flash. We're all here from far and wide. Crafty hearts and joy collide. You bring the spark, we'll guide you through. This retreat was made for you. Crafting together, the cottage rolls away. With not too shabby, we're here to play. From screen to screen, we laugh and share, creating magic from anywhere. Painting petals, bows and bling. Die cuts fly like everything. In our slippers or dressed up cute, we're all in, it's absolute. We're connected, feeling free, making joy from A to Z. You bring the spark, we'll guide you through. This retreat was made for you. Crafting together, the cottage rolls away. With not too shabby, we're here to play. From screen to screen, we laugh and share, creating magic from anywhere. No stress, no rules, just fun and flair. Paper dreams in the open air. Hearts in hand, we leave our mark, lighting up that crafty spark. Crafting together, the cottage rolls away. With not too shabby, we're here to play. We came as makers, now we're a crew. This retreat's the best, thanks to you. Sunlight shining, coffee's poured, paper stacked, we're ready for more. From coast to coast, near and far, we're crafting together wherever we are. Scissors snipping, glitter flies, stamps are inked and colors collide. Cottage rose, let's craft away, laughing, creating all through the day. Cut it, fold it, layer with style, handmade magic, share a smile. Cards and tags, some shabby chic, a little bit vintage, a little boutique. From desktops, craft rooms, kitchen tables, wherever you are, you're more than able. Scissors snipping, glitter flies, ephemera dancing before our eyes. Cottage rose, let's craft away, laughing, creating all through the day. Cut it, fold it, layer with style, handmade magic, share a smile. Different places, different skies, but when we craft, our hearts align. Not too shabby, we're here to say this creative